Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best camper hot water heater anode rod is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components for maintaining your RV's water heater system, ensuring you have hot water on demand during your adventures without the risk of corrosion or leaks damaging this essential appliance. This seemingly small part plays a vital role in protecting the inner tank from the corrosive effects of water and minerals, thereby extending the lifespan of your entire water heater and preventing costly repairs down the line, making its selection and timely replacement a priority for any seasoned RVer. Number 5. Premium Magnesium RV Water Heater Anode Rod, 3-pack. Ensure you choose the right anode rod size for your RV water heater. Suburban models with stainless steel interiors need a 9.25 by 3.4 NPT rod. Keep your water heater happy and your adventures warm, don't overlook this vital part. Feeling chilly on your RV trips? Your current anode rod might be failing. Upgrade with our premium rod, perfect for specific Suburban models, because nobody likes unexpected cold showers. A corroded anode rod can turn your warm RV into a cold space. Our RV anode rod acts as your protector, battling tank corrosion to secure your comfort. Your RV will be the warmest on the block. Our magnesium anode rod is composed of 96% magnesium. It offers excellent protection by sacrificing itself quickly to protect your internal tank, making it the best choice for RVing in varied water conditions. This rod offers unmatched defense against rust and corrosion, specifically designed for Suburban water heaters. It sacrifices itself to protect your tank, ensuring reliable hot water on every adventure. This essential part maintains your Suburban water heater's efficiency and is compatible with various RV brands. It ensures your water heater remains in top condition, regardless of your RV model. Embark on every journey with confidence. Our kit includes a wrench for easy replacement and a high-performance water heater element, engineered for corrosion resistance and stability. What we like. This anode rod offers excellent protection with its premium magnesium composition. If you're looking for long-term peace of mind and a robust defense against corrosion, especially with varied water conditions on the road, this 3-pack with a 3-year warranty is a fantastic choice. What people say. Suburban hot water heaters make it very handy to maintain your own hot water heater as much as is possible, and with a little maintenance the hot water heaters have the potential to last far longer than 6 to 9 years. The job is not difficult, even for a woman, so don't be afraid to try it. Económicas y fáciles de instalar, ayudan a alargar la vida del calentador evitando la formación de sarro y óxido. Number 4. RV Anode Rod Magnesium Water Heater Protection. Ensure the longevity of your RV's water heater. This essential component safeguards your valuable investment from corrosion. Crafted from high-quality magnesium, it offers superior protection and a longer lifespan compared to aluminum or cheaper alternatives. Designed for Suburban and Moreflow 6-gallon water heaters, it measures 9.25 inches long with 3 4-inch NPT threads for a precise fit. By corroding itself, it significantly extends the life of your water heater tank, preventing premature wear and tear. Beyond protection, it actively helps to eliminate harmful contaminants, ensuring cleaner water for your travels. Installation is straightforward, requiring only a 1/116-inch socket. Protect your water heater with ease. What we like. This high-quality magnesium anode rod is designed to significantly extend the life of your water heater tank. If you own a Suburban or Moreflow 6-gallon water heater and want to prevent costly tank replacements, this is the ideal solution for reliable protection. What people say. This anode rod is made of magnesium, which is excellent for preventing corrosion in your RV water heater tank. The rod is easy to install and fits perfectly into standard RV water heater openings. It effectively absorbs corrosive elements, extending the life of the water heater tank. Number 3. RV Water Heater Anode Rods, 2-pack. Extend the life of your RV's water heater with these essential anode rods. They attract corrosive elements, safeguarding your tank from damage. Our magnesium anode rods absorb corrosive action caused by hot water. This prolongs the life of your water heater tank, ensuring reliable performance. These high-quality rods are a perfect replacement for Suburban 232767 and Moreflow tank water heater anode rods. Trust in their durable construction. Made from superior quality, extra durable magnesium, our rods are safe for your family. Enjoy peace of mind with a product built to last. Featuring 3/4 inch NPT threads and a 9.25 inch length, these magnesium rods fit perfectly. They use a 1 to 1/16 inch socket for easy installation and replacement. This pack includes 2 rods, so you'll always have a spare on hand. Simply unscrew the old rod to drain the tank and replace it when needed. What we like. This pack of 2 superior quality magnesium anode rods provides excellent corrosion protection for your RV water heater. If you want to ensure you always have a spare on hand and are looking for a direct, reliable replacement for Suburban 232767, this is a smart and safe choice for your family's comfort. What people say. Perfect fit as described. Worked fine in our RV water heater. It fit perfectly in our camper's hot water tank. Number 2. Suburban MFG Magnesium Anode Rod. Introducing the Magnesium Anode Rod from Suburban MFG. It's designed to significantly extend the working life of your hot water tank, saving you money in the long run. Featuring a commercial-grade stainless steel core, this anode rod is built for durability. It effectively absorbs corrosive action caused by hot water. This 9-inch anode rod with a 3/4-inch thread is specifically designed for Suburban porcelain-lined tank water heaters. Installation is straightforward. Its efficient design protects your water tank by neutralizing corrosive elements. This prolongs the life of your water heater, giving you peace of mind. It is best suited for use in environments with high pH and soft water. Ensure optimal performance and longevity for your water heating system. What we like. Featuring a commercial-grade stainless steel core, this magnesium anode rod is built for longevity and ease of installation. If you frequently encounter high pH or soft water conditions and need an efficient solution to extend your Suburban porcelain-lined tank's life, this rod is best suited for your needs. What people say. The anode rod effectively protected my water heater from corrosion. Installation was straightforward and it fit perfectly into my existing setup. Number 1. AMI Parts RV Water Heater Thermal Cutoff Kit. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for your RV water heater safety. You'll get the ECO assembly, thermostat assembly, foam cover, connecting wires, and fuses. It's an essential safety device for your RV water heater. Ensure safety and proper fit by checking your part number and model before purchase. This kit is designed to be compatible with Atwood water heater parts and a wide range of specific models. This safety device efficiently regulates your RV's water temperature, preventing overheating. It's specifically designed for RV electronic water heaters and acts as a crucial safety measure. Featuring a high-quality tinned copper wire fuse, this component protects you by cutting off fuel flow to the burner in case of overheating. Its upgraded design offers a longer service life and is less likely to trip unnecessarily. For a smooth repair, label all wires before disconnecting and double-check your work. If the provided connector differs from yours, have a backup ready for easy crimping. We recommend following video instructions. We stand by the quality of our product. Our professional feedback team is ready to assist you. Contact us with any concerns, and we'll provide a satisfactory solution within 12 hours. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes a thermal cutoff and ECO thermostat assembly, acting as a crucial safety device for your RV water heater. If your priority is preventing overly hot water and ensuring a safe operation, especially for Atwood water heaters, this kit is a necessary upgrade for peace of mind. What people say. This RV water heater cutoff kit worked like a charm for my repairman to use on my water heater. The water temperature is back to normal and I couldn't be happier. This is a great price and made an easy fix for my Atwood, Dome-Tick, RV water heater. Turns out all I needed was the thermal fuse, which was a quick unplug the old and plug in the new. The package came with 4 thermal fuses. This is a common failure point, so I have 3 more ready to go. Exactly what I needed. Got my water heater up and going again. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.